Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying power and environment so you don't chase ghosts. First, plug the Xbox into a known good outlet or power strip. If possible, test that outlet with a phone charger or lamp. Next, remove all accessories, controllers, external drives, HDMI cables, because peripherals can cause startup loops. Then examine the power cable and brick for frays, kinks, or loose pins. Make sure they're seated snugly. Once done, attempt a single clean power on to see if the issue persists. You'll now perform systematic soft resets to clear transient errors. Press and hold the Xbox power button for 10 seconds until it fully shuts off, then unplug the power cable and wait 60 seconds to drain residual charge. While waiting, unplug any USB or external drives to clear cache-related faults. Reconnect power and boot with only HDMI to the TV. If it still cycles, swap the HDMI cable and try another TV or monitor to rule out display handshakes. You're now on advanced steps. First, backup saves and prepare a USB with the latest offline system update, then follow Xbox recovery instructions to reinstall system software if soft fixes fail. Make sure to open vents visually. Dust buildup can overheat and trigger power cycling. Use short bursts of compressed air and avoid spinning the fan by hand. If the console still turns on and off, document behavior, LED codes, and serial number. Then contact support or a qualified repair shop, especially if under warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.